Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Purifying Avocado and Oatmeal Clay Mask. This mask says that it instantly deep cleans and nourishes for fresh skin. It is a 10-minute mask and it is for normal to combo skin. Anything with avocados lately, just like the rest of America, I love to try, and so I saw this mask and I picked up a couple of them and I tried one out last night, and I have to say that I really like it. It has a really great smell to it. It's a fresh, clean smell, so it's not like fruity or floral or anything like that. Just a nice, fresh, clean smell. Like I felt like my face, it just smells nice and clean. Clay mask, so it's not a peel one. It's not one that's like you have to be scared about it being painful to take off. You just rinse it off with water. Yeah, it is a one-time use, so that's why I got a couple of them and used one last night because it's just a one-time use little package. It comes with an easy to open seal there, and then it has lots of nice information in the back. The description on the back says, nourish and purify with this award-winning mask. Rich clays dive deep to purge dirt and oils from pores. Avocado, oatmeal, and vitamin E help moisturize for lasting skin softness. Perfect for normal to combination skin. Gives you directions. Apply mask to face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on 7 to 10 minutes or until dry. Rinse with warm water. Use twice a week or as often as needed. So unfortunately it doesn't say whether to apply it to wet or dry skin, so I just applied it to dry after I washed my face and did most of my skincare routine. So I took all of my makeup off with a wipe, and then I used a cleanser and then an exfoliator, and I made sure my face was completely dry. And I think it worked. I left it on for the full 10 minutes. I don't know, I really did like it. My face felt really clean, my skin was really smooth, it didn't stick to my face, like the clay got hard, but it wasn't like crazy, like it didn't feel like I was wearing a mask, if that makes much sense to you. I don't know. Because it has 0.5 fluid ounces of product in it. The color is kind of like a dark greenish color. I guess maybe, well no, not like an avocado because it's, I think, darker. It's more like the color of the shell, the skin of an avocado. But it's a very smooth texture. It's very easy to apply to your face. There's more than enough product in the package to cover your whole face. Just something that I sometimes worry about in packages like this. I've gotten some before, not this specific brand, but other brands where there wasn't enough product. Like it just didn't cover my whole face evenly. Maybe I needed to do a thinner layer, but I don't know. I wasn't convinced that I needed to just do a thinner layer to get the same results out of the product than if they would have just added a little bit more product in it. These types of masks that come in these like one-time uses are very popular lately, and I really like them because it's easy to just grab a couple and throw them in a suitcase if you're traveling, or throw them in a bag, a weekend bag, or anything like that. They're also really fun for like teens, or even not even teens, if you're like a grown-up but you're having a girls' night and you're having some of your girlfriends over. It's really fun. It's always really fun to do facials, things like that. So having these individual ones are really nice because you don't have to spend a lot of money. Individual huge products for everyone, and you don't have to worry about everyone sharing one and things like that. Everyone has their own and you're all good. And I don't know, I just really like it. I really did feel that instant deep clean feeling. I feel like it closed up my pores. My skin extremely soft and very smooth, and yeah, I really recommend this product. Freeman is a pretty good product. I've used some of their other masks. I actually have another one to do a review on, but I really like Freeman. Their products are great. They really know what they're doing when it comes to skincare, and they have products for any skin type. I usually get the normal to combination skin, but they also have some for dry skin, they have some for oily skin, they have some for just normal skin, they have some for just combination skin. So they've got 5 different skin type options. They have several different products, several different masks and moisturizers and things like that. I think they might even have sheet masks, which are pretty popular these days. And yeah, so can you take a look at the back again? You've got all of your list of ingredients on the back. And then here, not tested on animals, which is always cool to know. You can go to freemanbeauty.com and you can see all of their line of products. They have an Instagram and a Facebook account that you can also look at. Is that an expiration date at the bottom? Oh no, that's not an expiration date right there. I thought it might have been. Alright, cool. So yeah, it's a 10-minute mask, and it's just a really great product that I definitely recommend to anyone who is searching for a good mask for a nice, fresh, clean feeling and smooth skin. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.